Let's talk about why relationships crumble. Relationships are delicate and complicated, and even small mistakes can ruin years of love, trust, and passion. Are you unknowingly doing something wrong in your relationship? Here are 10 behaviors that can harm any relationship, including yours. Number 1. Stonewalling your partner. Do you avoid difficult conversations and questions? This bad habit, known as stonewalling, involves actively avoiding emotional or painful subjects. But these topics are crucial for the health of your relationship. By avoiding these discussions, you're harboring unresolved issues. It's okay to delay a tough conversation from time to time, but ignoring an issue won't make it disappear. Number 2. Constant distractions. Are you fully present when you're with your partner? Do you find yourself texting others while you're together? Quality time is essential, and your partner needs to feel valued and important. If you're always distracted, your partner may feel neglected, and your relationship can suffer. Number 3. Becoming defensive. Communication is key, but what happens when your partner tells you something you don't want to hear? Defensiveness can ruin any relationship. When you become defensive, you stop listening to your partner's concerns and focus on protecting yourself. You may argue or deflect blame, ignoring the real problem and hurting your partner in the process. Number 4. Excessive criticism. How often do you criticize your partner? Even if your intentions are good, constant criticism can create a negative dynamic and make your partner feel unappreciated. It's important to remember why you love your partner instead of solely focusing on their mistakes. Number 5. Idealizing your partner. Do you put your partner on a pedestal and hold them to impossible standards? Idealizing your partner can damage your relationship because you're projecting your own preferences onto them. Love your partner for who they are, not who you want them to be. Number 6. Ignoring your past. No relationship is perfect, and acknowledging the ups and downs is crucial. By ignoring your troubled past, you risk disregarding significant moments and the struggles that have shaped your relationship. Embrace your history, both the good and the bad, and work together to overcome challenges. Number 7. Deceiving your partner. Have you ever lied or manipulated your partner? Deception destroys trust, the foundation of any relationship. When you're not honest, your partner has a reason to doubt you. It's not always easy, to be honest, but deceiving your partner will ultimately break your relationship. Number 8. Creating competition. Healthy relationships are not about keeping score. Competition breeds tension, stress, and resentment. Instead, focus on finding solutions that make both of you happy and learn to compromise. This will create a healthier and more fulfilling relationship in the long run. Number 9. Shaming your partner. Teasing and playful banter can be fun, but publicly shaming your partner for their mistakes is damaging. Instead of creating a positive dynamic, you're making your partner uncomfortable and embarrassed. Number 10. Unrealistic expectations. Do you get angry when your partner can't read your mind? It's unfair to expect your partner to know what you want and think all the time. It's your responsibility to communicate your needs and desires. If you expect your partner to magically understand everything, your relationship will likely crumble. Do any of these destructive behaviors sound familiar? Have you experienced actions from your partner that have harmed your relationship? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.